What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in a Toyota remote key fob. So this key fob is going to take replacement battery CR2032. And what I'm going to use to open this is a quarter. This works really well. If you don't have one of these handy, you can also use like a flathead screwdriver or something similar. But if we take a look at the bottom of our key fob, we see this notch right here. What I'm going to do is stick the quarter in that notch and then just twist it like this. And it'll pop the shell apart. If we take the back off, we can see our battery right here. We'll take our new battery and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up, like that. And then we'll just snap the back on. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.